Hey guys, for the curious ones, on that airbags, what's all different from a 22 to 23? Honestly, I believe it utilizes the same kit. That's the part number we utilized. I know it fits pretty far back in if my memory serves me right, but it must be in the ad that I read. I think it goes back from 17. Anyways, let me show you what all took place, and you be the judge of it. So two things had to be removed. The bump stop had to be removed. In its place, you got the airbag. And then that guy right there. I don't know how I feel about that, but we're going to have to improvise with something else. You could tell that plate was centered by that breather bolt, right? So, not necessarily anything wrong with it. Just not a big fan of zip ties and whatnot. But it is what it is. We'll figure something out. I was thinking maybe cutting it, notching it, and putting a hose clamp, like a big old hose clamp on it versus zip ties. I think that's probably where it's going to have to settle with, but we'll ride for a little bit and see what we come back with. Make sure nothing's rubbing. That's the biggest thing when you install these airbags. Wiring, hoses, and all that. You can see this is where we teed in from the other one. It's a excuse me. I like a single port. Time and place for dual or singles. I prefer singles. It's just better for the equipment, in my honest opinion. This is where the nipple is. I think we're gonna relocate it up here. I like it up here, a little bit further away from debris and whatnot. I know there's a cap, but I still like it up here. This would be my choice. A little bit more visible, I don't care. I think this is a better choice. We'll relocate it. Other than that, there's really not much to it. Let me show you the bump stops and we'll go from there. That's it. So that got removed and that little plate got replaced or relocated. Other than that, that's it. As always, fellas, may the Lord bless you. May Almighty find day. Ciao. Bye.